Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create this bar and parameters. We are going to discuss all the things that we are going to learn is basically how to rename the dimensions, how to define design variables that control the dimension in the part model, and then we will define the formulas that relate design variables to one another. Just click on next. First of all, click on the protein button, then go select that plane. We'll select the top XY plane, go next, then make sure the IntelliSketch option has been opened. So in the IntelliSketch option, basically we have three options: auto dimension, relationship, and custom. Make sure that all the things are checking. So okay, now go to next. Click on, we have to create this profile. To create this profile, we have to follow this step. First of all, draw a circle by taking center same. So radius of the circle should be 100. Click OK. Go next. Next, go to tool. Hide all the references plane. Go next. Now click again the circle command. Draw a circle of a radius 34 mm. 34. It's very near. The same circle should be drawn here. Go to next. Make sure that the center of all three circles lie along same horizontal line. Go to next, then select the line command. Make sure when this symbol indicates, click and select the tangent. So here the line is tangent to this circle. Select, draw a line. Tangent. Draw a line here. Tangent. Draw another line. Tangent. Go next. Next we want to ensure that all the lines are tangent. Already relationship exists. Already exists. Circle is tangent. It means all the lines are already tangent. Now click on the concentric. Now click on the equal command. This first trim all the unnecessary circles, then this circle should be so. Go to next. As you can see, same diagram has been appeared here. Now we want to dimension. Green. It is 50. Next, go to the distance between. So first of all, select the distance between this and this. This should be equal to 75.48. Click OK. Now the distance between this point and this point. Click the fitting view. Distance between this and this. It should be equal to 1.5 151 0.66 millimeter. Go to next. As you can see, now click on the select button, click on this dimension, click on edit formula, give it as a name base radius, click enter, accept the changes. Next click on this, now click on next, click on show all formulas, click on next. Now we want to create this, so give this as right side, edit formula, enter, OK. Then go next, give the values here, select edit formula, this is half, span, click OK, go next, then again select, click on edit formula, span, enter, and set. Go to next. As you can see, same all the dimension has been appeared with the formulas with the name base radius right side. Now click on the return button. Now define the extent of 15 millimeters. In this direction I define this. So you can see all the dimension has been appeared. Click on the finish button. Go next. Click save. Save as. Go to next. Now we want to create this feature, so again click on protrusion button. Select the plane here, to select the last plane, so that same profile plane has been used. Go next. Now make a circle. The diameter circle, so radius of the circle, diameter 90. Go next. Smart dimensions. Radius 90. Click OK. Now select this, give its name as outer radius, outer diameter, edit, diameter. Go next, return, so type 80. Click on finish, fit in the view. As you can see, same part has been appeared. So go next, click save the part. Now we want to create this cutout. Select the cutout command. Again select the last plane, draw a circle 60. Go next. Give it the name of as the outer diameter. Select. Enter. Sorry. Inner diameter. Go next. Click on show all values. Click return button. Now it is asking the direction of the cutter to one symmetric. Click finish. Go next. Again save. Go next. Now we want to create this hole to hold at the base. Select the hole command. Again select the last frame. Click on the dialog box of the hole. Now here select the option. Select the diameter of 22 mm. Select tool type simple and set the extend through next extend. Click OK. Place one more here. Click return. Last in the direction. Triangle. Go next. Click on the finish button. Click save. Go next. So you can see, click fit in. You can see the part has been, similar part has been created. So we can display this variable table that defines or that allows you to display, define and manipulate the design variable and functional relationship between the variable. Using this variable table, you will define additional relationship between the dimensions you place in the part. These relationships will allow you to change the size and shape of the entire part by editing one dimension. In the tool menu, point to the variable. So this is the table as you can see here. Click next. So we want to check in any dimension. Go to next. If we want to change any dimension, it can show a click. It can show all the dimensions. So we can change any dimension or we can rename the any dimension. Let's see if I want to define hole. So these are the holes. If I want to change the diameter of the hole, we can easily change the diameter from here. So like this, we can easily change the dimension, rename the variable and can define the relationship between them. So this is all about the tutorial number 15.